Okay, so let's multiply. All right, let's multiply. First thing to look for, can I factor anything? Okay, you look at all the numerators and denominators, and you see if you can factor anything. Okay, in this case, can I factor any numerator or denominator? Does it look like I can take GCFs out or anything? No, I can't. So that might happen. Most likely not, but I just at least wanted to show you one where you can't. Next, look to cross out. And remember our cross out rule. Numerator and a denominator. You cannot cross off two numerators or two denominators. One's got to be in the numerator, one's got to be in the denominator. Y minus 2 and 2 minus y. Those look familiar? They're not the same, are they? But they are? Great, opposites of each other. So ready? Yes, you can cross them out. But you better write down a what before you move on? -1. Numerator and denominator. I don't care if they're above each other or diagonal. Doesn't matter. There's something else we can cross out. How many m's are on top? On top, how many m's do I have? 3. On the bottom, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth here. How many m's do I have on the bottom? 1, right? Just 1 because the exponent's 1. So you can get rid, how many, so if I get rid of them, how many m's am I left with? Where? Okay, there you go. Yeah. Now, just like we did with reducing, you tell me what's left on top and what's left on the bottom. So what's left on top now? -1. You can put the 1 there if you want. You don't have to. -1 m squared. And what's the only thing we didn't cross out on the bottom? 3 spot. That's it. You just multiplied your first set of fractions. Congratulations. All good. All right, next. I'm going to keep doing this just to prove a point here. You see you have addition and subtraction? If you have addition and subtraction, you're going to have to factor first. You cannot. Oh, it drives me nuts. Oh, hey, I got an x squared here and an x squared here. They can cancel. No, stop. No, not when there's addition and subtraction going on. If there's addition and subtraction, we got to factor everything. Then you can cross out, okay? Factor first. Factor first, cross out second. Here we go. There are 2 things up here I can factor. Name one of them. Name one denominator or numerator I can factor right now. Come on. 14. Out of the 4 up here, which one can I factor?
Probably the numerator first one.
Darn right I can. You ready to go?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not even going to say what method or anything. I'm just going to let you do your magic. So when you think you have it there, Jared, you let me know. You got your 2 magic numbers, let me know.
Uh, 9 and 3.
Good work. How about some signs now to finish this off?
It would be -9 minus 3.
Yep.
And then -9 times -3.
What?
You get 27, right?
Okay. -9, -3, we good?
Yeah.
Okay, you could have stopped there. You're good.
Okay.
You're good. Yeah, you're good. What else can I factor? One more thing I can factor up here. Where else can I factor? 7. Where else can I factor up here?
The denominator.
Correct. X squared 81, perfect squares. Go ahead. What do I end up with?
X minus 9.
And
X minus 9. Oh.
what about the signs? Signs are?
Oh, plus 9.
Yep, opposite when you do difference of 2 perfect squares. Yep. X plus 9, can't factor. 3 minus x, can't do anything with it, so just rewrite it. Now this should be your favorite time. Once everything is fully factored in your opinion. Now you cross out tops and bottoms. Just like we reduce. All right, just like we reduce. Name one thing you want to cross out. 13. Top and the bottom that you can cross out. Good. Yes. And now watch, because I didn't do a good job of this yesterday when I did this with third period. X minus 9 x minus 9. They're the same exact thing. You're done. That's it. You're done. Look to cross out more, but you're done there. There's nothing, no fancy number to write there. If you cross out two of the exact same things, move on. What else can I cross out? There's a heck of a lot more here. What do you got for me? 12?
X plus 9 and X plus 9.
Same exact things. Cross them out. Move on. Anything else? 15. Take a peek what's left over. Notice anything? X minus 3, 3 minus X.
They're opposite.
Thank you. So yes, I am going to cross it out, but with a
-1.
yes. We've crossed out everything, right? What's the only thing left hanging?
-1.
There's your answer when I multiply it here anyway. -1. It's the only thing I have left. You ready to go hardcore? Ready to go hardcore? This is no joke. 11 now. All right, kid gloves are off. No little kumbaya in the group here. You can factor all 4. Do not cross out. We factor first. Factor first, cross out second. All right, you pick here. These are a couple of them are might be a little tough. 2, which one you want to start out with factoring?
Bottom left.
Respect.
The denominator.
Respect.
Okay.
That's the toughest one out of all the 4 of them. It is respect. You may not have thought that, but now you're into the fire now.
Okay.
GCF.
No, there isn't one.
What's the number out front?
A 2.
Yeah, I'm going to go off to the side to do this because how are we going to end up? What method are we going to end up factoring this?
You have to like multiply the 2 by the right 2.
Good job. All right, good. Grouping. We're grouping now.
Yeah.
You didn't know you were walking into the Lions Den, Kit Clayton, but yeah. So I get -4, right?
Yeah.
All right. Break 3 terms into.
4.
Yep. So here you go, everyone. 2x squared, something, minus 2. Clayton's going to give me 2 numbers that multiply to that -4 you got, and at the same time give me 3 in the middle.
4 and -1.
4 and good. Oh boy, you are on fire. Plus 4x minus x. Now it's time to group. Now he got us 4 terms. Now you can group them up. All right, stud, go ahead. What are you taking out of the first grouping?
2x.
Yep. And what are you left with?
X plus 4. Or X plus 2.
Oh, good get. So you better be left with an x plus 2 on the next one.
Yeah. You take out -1.
Oof.
And then X plus 2.
I'm going to come back to you. Is this finished? No. Don't write it over here. It's not finished. One more step. Go ahead, Clayton. What do you got in common?
Both. Or it's X plus 2 in both parentheses. And then
So I just take out one of them, yep. And then in the
2x minus 1.
there you go. Great job. That's what that is factored, bottom left. Grouping will come up. You can all thank Clayton later because he just took the tough one. So now we should be on cruise control, maybe. 13. Which one do you want?
Right.
Okay. 4x plus 8. What do I always ask you for first? So what can I take out?
4.
Okay, take out a 4. What are you left with?
X plus 2.
Good work. There you go. Not too bad. Anybody want another one here? 3.
Let's see. I guess the bottom or the denominator on the
Yeah.
right side.
What do you want to take out?
2.
Okay. And what are you left with?
The 2x plus 1.
And then we only got one left. 4x squared minus 1. 4x squared. 4x squared minus 1. What can we do with that? That one's a little tougher. 16.
Would you do like difference of two perfect squares?
You got it. What am I going to write in place of 4x squared? What's that break down into?
X plus 2, x minus 2.
Okay, yes, but what about the 4 though?
2x squared.
No, 2. The 2 takes care of the 4. What are you going to write for x squared now?
X.
There you go. And now go ahead. Tell me with the rest of it what you had.
Plus 2 minus 2. Plus 1 minus 1.
There you go. 1 and 1. There you go. Okay. Wow, guys, you everyone all right there? Sometimes you're going to have to factor all 4. Now take a deep breath and it's time to have fun. Crossouts. What do you want to cross out? 17. One thing you want to cross out?
2x plus, or 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1.
Yeah, sure. Top, bottom, done. Don't have to do a thing. Anything else up here? 7.
Oh, x plus 2 and x plus 2 for the numerator.
Yep. Anything else? 13.
2x plus
Yep. Now, we could still keep going, but maybe you don't see that. And that's fine. Because watch what's going to happen if you don't see that we could still cross out. What's the only thing left in the numerator? A 4. What's the only thing left in the denominator? Okay, now do you see it? Even though you may not have seen it within the rest of it, you know my final answer's got to be 2. Okay. All right, one comment before we move on. If you ever cross out everything in the numerator, you're always left with a 1, remember. Not a 0, a 1. Okay, so if everything gets crossed out in the numerator, you're left with a 1 on top. All right, so just remember that. Everything gets crossed out, final answer is 1. All good? How am I doing with 10:51? Okay, we got not. I wanted to at least get through this next one, and then I'm done talking here. And then we'll save the next 2 for review. All right, 12. I see multiplication. We factor first, and then cross out second. And yes, we can factor all 3 of these. 4 of them, excuse me. You're up first. Pick 10. What do you want to factor?
the numerator on the first one.
Sure, go ahead.
It's x.
Oh, you were right. You were right the first time. What nut is 25 came first, right? So put its perfect squares first, which would be?
5.
Yep, 5 and 5, and then go ahead.
Minus x and plus x.
Great job. If the number comes first, so do the perfect squares. Yep. All right, next, your choice out of the remaining 3. 1.
Can I do the bottom right?
Bottom right.
Yeah.
What do you want to take out?
5x.
Great job. And what's left?
X minus 5.
Yep. And I cannot factor x minus 5 anymore, so you're done. Good work. All right, 2 more remaining. 10. Actually, I'm going with somebody new here. So this was the same problem. 2. Clayton, you already had the big dog one. 4. Here we go.
Top right.
Sure.
And take out x squared.
GCF of x squared. Oh, here we go. What are you left with?
X.
Just an x? What happens when I divide x squared and x squared?
Oh, and a 1.
And a 1. Yep. Don't forget the 1, everyone. Don't forget the 1. And then we're left with the bottom left, which I know I thought somebody would have picked that up quicker, but hey, you guys are going hardcore. 14.
I'm still waiting.
Take your time.
All right.
I'm asking you to factor the bottom left for me when you're ready.
The numbers would be 5 and 2. So it'd be x plus 2, and then wait. Yeah, just be x plus 5 and x plus 7 or 2, right?
You're good. All right, here we go. Tell me what you want to cross out now. 17.
I said x plus 5.
Yeah.
And then 5 plus x.
Good. Hey, I'm glad we're on this now. These opposites, the same thing. Plus 5, plus x, right? Same exact thing, guys. Just written backwards. Same exact thing. What's up, guys? Go ahead.
For the x plus 5 and the x plus 2, wouldn't you equal them to 0 so then it would be negative? Or no?
That's undefined. With a fraction, that's totally different set of directions, right? If I ask for what makes this fraction undefined, then yes, I would set them both equal to 0 and tell you yes. But just multiplying, no, nope, no equals here. More? Anything else up here you think you can cross out? 9. No 9 today? Is that 9? Okay, thank you. Awkward silence. 16. Anything else?
The x minus 5 and 5 minus x would be 1.
This one here and here?
Yeah.
Okay, I am going to cross it out. But take a look. That was 5. That was negative 5.
So negative 1.
Thank you. Opposites. Correct. Yes. See anything else, or should I write this final answer here? There is something else, but maybe you don't see it yet. Maybe you'll see it when we rewrite it. What do you got left on top?
Negative.
Okay, I got the negative 1, x squared, and then in parentheses I have x plus 1. And what's still not crossed out on the bottom?
X plus 2.
And the 5x. So I'll put the 5x first. Now, do you see anything? How many x's do you have on top? What's up, Dylan?
Or isn't it just you subtract or like the x's you can or minus or what's it? So like it'd be x or negative x squared and then just x on the bottom. Right.
So how many x's do I have on top?
Right now,
Yes.
2.
2 on the bottom?
1.
Okay, so I'm getting rid of those and be left with 1 on top, right? That's what you're saying, exactly. Yep. So here's my final answer. Negative 1x, x plus 1. And on the bottom, what do I have now? 5 and x plus 2. Yep. Factor first, cross out second. I'm going to stop there. You guys have what? The 4 problems, everyone, yes? 23, 26, 33, and 42 to work on now. Okay? I don't care who you work with. You want to work by yourself. There's textbooks around you. All I ask is you have Classroom open on your Chromebook so you can see if you're doing these right now. All right, check them. All right, call me over. Yep. Let's get going. I gave you guys plenty of time to work. Basically 20 minutes here, half the class to work on 4 problems.